The best way to keep one's word is not to give it. In the realm of personal integrity and trust, the concept of keeping one's word holds paramount importance. However, the aphorism, "the best way to keep one's word is not to give it," offers a paradoxical yet insightful perspective on the nature of promises and commitments. This statement suggests that the most reliable method to ensure the sanctity of one's word is to refrain from making promises altogether. While this might initially seem counterintuitive, a deeper analysis reveals the wisdom embedded in this philosophy. At its core, the sentence comprises a straightforward structure. The main clause, "the best way to keep one's word is not to give it," presents a general principle or piece of advice. Here, the subject, "the best way," is complemented by an infinitive phrase, "to keep one's word," which specifies the context of the advice. The predicate, "is not to give it," introduces a negation, suggesting that the solution to keeping one's promises is to avoid making them. This statement operates on the premise that making promises creates a binding obligation that one must fulfill to maintain personal integrity. However, the unpredictability of life often means that even well-intentioned promises can be difficult to uphold. Unforeseen circumstances, changing priorities, or personal limitations can impede one's ability to honor commitments, leading to broken promises and a tarnished reputation. By advising against giving one's word, the statement encourages a more cautious and realistic approach to commitments. It emphasizes the value of making promises only when one is absolutely certain of their ability to deliver. This approach minimizes the risk of unintentional deceit and maintains the trust and respect of others. In essence, it promotes a standard of reliability that is based on action rather than mere words. Furthermore, this philosophy underscores the importance of discretion and thoughtfulness in communication. It advocates for a culture where promises are not made lightly, but are reserved for situations where they can be met with certainty. This restraint fosters a sense of responsibility and careful consideration before committing to any course of action, thereby enhancing the credibility and trustworthiness of the individual. However, it is important to acknowledge that the complete avoidance of promises is neither practical nor desirable in all situations. Promises and commitments are fundamental to building relationships, fostering trust, and achieving collective goals. Therefore, the wisdom of the aphorism lies not in its literal application, but in discoveries.